babies, it's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell everybody because we lady over here. Without further ado, y'all wanted to do an unboxing with y'all. Y'all, I just be looking at Champs, just different shoe outlets, y'all. Came across these shoes, and it's crazy because I actually had these shoes as a screenshot in my phone. Like, I just be going through my phone randomly, and I was like, oh, those are some 90 shoes. Like, I had screenshots of different 90 shoes, and I'm like, those are those 90 shoes I really wanted. And y'all, they was on sale. They was normally like $160, but they were on sale for like $112 or $116. And these were from Champs, I believe. Of course, the box came tore up. But y'all, these are the Nike Zoom Flight 95s. And y'all, I thought these was hot. Super hot. And hopefully I can fit them because people were saying like they weren't fat feet friendly. Maybe go up a half a size or a whole size, but they was real narrow. So I'm just wishing and hoping that they're not. I hope that's not the case, because if so, I'm going to be very mad because I really wanted these shoes. So hold on, y'all, I'm trying to loosen up the laces. If not, I'm sending these boys back. You heard me? So I loosened up the laces. Let's see. Y'all know I'm normally like 11 and a half in Nikes. But I do have wide feet. So let's see. Oh, y'all. I don't know how y'all, they fit. They are like the type of shoes like when the tongue fits so different at the top part. So yeah, so like right here, you could feel where the tongue part and where the shoe part meet because it's just made so differently right here. So you can actually feel that. So I don't think you would be able to wear like thick socks, but definitely bare feet. Y'all don't judge me. Sometimes I wear my sneakers barefooted. But definitely thin socks. I wouldn't want to try to wear these with no, I don't know, like thick winter socks. No, but oh yeah, I could definitely fit them. Yeah, oh yeah, I could definitely fit them. And y'all, I had to get these because they're just, these is hot. And y'all know I love a good basketball looking shoe. These is hot. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to come on here and share my little unboxing with y'all, and I'll try to link them down below. They only have like 2 sizes left, but I'll still link them down below if I can, if they still have them on Champs. But definitely just take a picture of them or just search Nike Zoom Flight 95s and go from there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.